Hi there. Hey, come hang out with me for a minute. Welcome. I don't know if you're from St. Charles or maybe from somewhere else outside that you've found this video, but come hang out with me for a minute and let's take a quick tea break. St. Charles, Missouri is a quaint little historic area along the banks of Missouri River, and I'm a shop called the Olde Town Spice Shoppe on historic Main Street. And right now things may be crazy out there. Our shop is still going. We're doing curbside delivery and online orders for all of our customers. But a lot of other ones are maybe have different kinds of operations. Maybe they're closed temporarily, maybe they're cleaning hard behind the scenes. I know that we generally have been taking a time to do a deep clean. We wear masks, we wear gloves, we use hand sanitizer between every customer that we touch. So definitely safety is foremost down here. But also times can be kind of crazy and you need to take a tea break every once in a while. But did you know tea has an amino acid in it called theanine? And theanine binds with the caffeine that's in the tea and is actually proven to reduce stress. So tea is really good for you, especially in times like this. So whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or the evening, it's still the perfect time to take a tea break. So let's take a quick one while we talk. Now I mentioned our store has been here for 30 years. We sell all kinds of tea and spices and seasonings and specialty foods, and we sell from everything from restaurants to people who make sausage to bakers to canners to all kinds of people, and we're really proud about that. And by the way, what I did to make my tea, I poured just about boiling water into my carafe. I've added in some mint black tea. I'm gonna let it steep, and then I put my little strainer lid on top of here. So it's kind of like a huge cup of tea in here. We're gonna let it sit for a second, and then I'm gonna pour it out. So try to patronize our businesses around here when you can. They definitely all could use your businesses at any time that there is a time to do it. We appreciate all of our customers that have worked with us. And I know St. Charles Together is gonna get through this. We're gonna be better and stronger together. We're all gonna get through this, and it's just gonna be a blip in the history books for us. So make your cup of tea, take a sip, hang out, think about what you're gonna do tomorrow, what's going on, and we're gonna get through this all together. Cheers.